Today's video is designed to get your mind thinking. We're gonna do a Dollar Tree DIY, a thrift store makeover, and a trash to treasure. Okay, let's just get right to it. Okay, first up is this little beauty that I found at the thrift store. I was so excited. It was $3.99, and look at the amazing detail that is on the back side of this chair. Had to get it. We're gonna begin by just taking off the bottom. It was so easy. We're gonna unscrew it, and we're gonna get to the magic. I decided to pick this color magenta because I wanted a color that would really pop out in my garden. If you follow me over on Instagram, you will have seen lots of behind the scenes where I asked you guys to help me pick flower colors and different things like that. So if you haven't already, make sure you follow me over on Instagram. I got lots of helpers today. This is Xander. This is my grandson. Well, my grandpuppy. And he's staying with Grandma this weekend. Yes, he is. Are you gonna let me do this for everyone? Okay, while the other dries, I'm gonna try and show you another really cute idea. So I went to the Dollar Tree and I picked up a laundry basket for $1. So, perfect. Let's make a flower basket. Oh my goodness, he's gonna bring me the baby. You think now's the time to play? Okay, hold on, I'll be back. I gotta play. I got my priorities. We'll be back. Okay, I think I wore him out, maybe. Okay, so like I was saying, got this for $1 at the Dollar Tree. And then I went to Michael's and they had 2 yards of burlap for $5. So, oh, sorry, mister. Sorry, now you want to get in on it. So this total thing is gonna cost me $6. And it's gonna be so cute. And don't worry, I am gonna plant flowers and everything in it to show you guys. Put it here in the middle. And then all you're gonna do is bring it in to the middle of the laundry basket to cover it all up. Now, I was a little worried about the blue basket kind of showing through the burlap, the teal blue, but then I thought, I don't even care if it does because it's a really pretty, fun, bright color for spring, like kind of like my front porch like we did with the bicycle out there. So I'm actually okay with that. So you get it all down in here nice. And yes, obviously once I get it in here the way I want it, it's not gonna be super nice down in there, but that's okay because this is where the flowers are gonna be. So I'm trying to get this to look halfway decent, and I'll show you how I'm gonna do that. I'm just kind of tucking in the sides, and then I just have some jute. I've had this. So if you have to buy this, they do sell this at the Dollar Tree for $1. I always have a ton of this stuff, and I'm just gonna tie this around to keep it in place. I'm debating on whether or not I should hot glue it. I might hot glue it, just to be super safe. Should I go around twice? Yeah, I'm gonna go around twice. Okay. Okay, I think just to make it look a little better, I might hot glue that in. I don't know, but oh, this is gonna be so cute and rustic. I love this already. This is gonna be adorable. I decided to go ahead and do a little bit of like glue gun just to kind of like make it look a little more cleaned up. I don't want it to be super tight everywhere. Like I did this seam right here. I've done this one right here. I think I'll do this one back here, just to make it just look a little more cleaned up. Can't wait to get flowers in this. Okay, and this little beauty is going to be my trash to treasure. So this is going to be my final one that we're going to get done before we start all of our planting. And I found this a few years ago and it was just in the trash. And I've been waiting to do something with it, and now is the time. Okay, it's the next day. We are going down into my backyard. My neighbor says that there's some chicken wire down here. So everything is dry. I went and I got some flowers, and we're gonna go down here and see if there's some chicken wire, and I'm gonna use that to help hold in the planter basket in the chair. And so let's go see what we can find. Oh boy. There's a pretty little lake back here. Sorry about the loud lawnmower. Do I dare climb in there to get this? Okay, this was quite the adventure, and for anyone wondering, I got 3 ticks from my fun adventures this day. But mission accomplished, on our way back up. These have got to be the worst wire cutters ever. Okay, wow, it's really sunny out here. I was originally going to use a staple gun, I hope you guys can hear me over the wind, and staple the chicken wire to the chair, but my staple gun won't work. So I'm just going to use the wire that came around the chicken stuff and loop it around to hold it tight. I guess that's just what we got to do. You got to think of something different. Okay, I had to pause and I had to take the cocoa liner out, and I had to spray paint this chicken wire the same color because I did not like how you could see it. And I felt like this made it look much better, really helped blend it all in. And then, oh yes, I went and got my neighbor next door, Sharon, who just so happens to be a master gardener, and she worked her magic and she made my little flower thing here look so beautiful. Huge shout out to her. I absolutely love how it turned out. I love the thriller, I love the filler, and I love the spiller. Her attention to detail is just amazing. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Okay, so for our Dollar Tree DIY, I'm using these old planting pots to put in the middle, so when we pour the dirt over, we don't have to use as much. This is a great idea. You can use like any kind of recyclable item, like water bottles, different items like that. Just that way you don't have to use so much potting soil. Okay, so I got a little ahead of myself here and I forgot to film us planting this, but keep in mind this is going to be beautiful once these flowers become a little more mature and are spilling over. I love how it turned out. I got the big guy here, he's helping me. He is putting in some drainage holes. So I'm kind of just winging it here since I don't have my master gardener over here with me anymore. But she gave me some good tips and I feel pretty confident with how it turned out. You guys will have to let me know what you think. Okay, something I learned, which I already knew about myself, is I do not enjoy planting flowers. So a huge thank you to my neighbor Sharon for coming over and helping me. I could have never have done this without her. I really liked the makeovers that we did. So fun, so inexpensive, really didn't spend anything other than buying some flowers and found some cute ways to put them out here in my garden. I might add them to my back porch for my makeover that I'm gonna do, so stay tuned for that and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!